Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add custom phone into Pixellab. So in here, I've already on the Pixellab app. So if you want to add a phone, a custom phone to your Pixellab, you can first search for the phone that you want to. For example, here I'm going to search the phone in thephone.com. For example, here I'm using this. Okay, so for example here I'm going to use this this another phone. So just click on download and wait for the downloading file process is finished. And now you can just find the file, the phone on your file library, and then don't forget to extract it first before you add into Pixellab. So this is the data. Here you can just click on the three dots icon, and then or you can just tap on it, then click on extract. Now let's go to the Pixellab app. Here, for example, I'm going to change the phone to this text. Okay, this one's right here. Click on this A later and find the phone options. This one. Click on my phones and click on the plus icon to add the custom phone and find the phone that you've just downloaded. Okay, this one, this is the phone. Click on the file. Okay, so this is the phone. You can just click on it and click on OK. Now your phone or your text will be changed into the phone that you choose before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.